What's going on, guys? Welcome back again for another video. So for today's video, we're gonna do this car. Same car, Ford Escape 2010. So we're gonna replace the lower arm. The lower arm, because this one, the ball joint, there's a play on the ball joint. When the customer driving, you hear the clanking noise. So I'm gonna show it to you first before I remove it. So this one got play. Let me zoom it. Let me try to zoom it so you can see it. Yeah, there's a play here. So we're gonna take this one. This one is really easy, very straightforward. Just 3 bolt. Very straightforward. Just 3 bolt. One here, one on the ball joint, lower ball joint, and one here on the bushing. So let's begin to do this, guys. So first thing we need to remove this one. This one is 15 millimeter. So sometimes this one is different size. So we need to remove this first, the lower ball joint bolt. So just remove this one, the nut here, counterclockwise. Then we're gonna take out the bolt all the way through. If this one is hard, you need to turn it at the back, the bolt here, because this one is rusty already. So you need to turn it here. So you need to turn it here, 13 millimeter. Now when it's turning like that, you can take it out now. Hammer it here. Then it's gonna go out at the other side here. Then we can remove this bolt here. Or before we do that, we're gonna lose the bolt joint here first. So I'm gonna spray penetrating fluid first inside of the ball joint. Then we're gonna try this one, the pry bar, to separate the ball joint. If not, we're gonna use another tools to remove this one. So I'm gonna use another tools to remove that one. So I'm gonna use this like a fork, like a cow put. Then put it under the knuckle. Then we're gonna bang it out. Now we're gonna use again the pry bar. We're gonna leave it like that, guys. So I'm gonna show you the other tricks. So how can we remove that? So we're gonna remove this bolt here, 16 millimeter, counterclockwise. So I'm gonna use air ratchet to remove this one. It's out already. Take out this bolt. Then I'm gonna remove this one. This one here. 21 millimeter. Okay. Now we're not, we can't remove this ball joint. There's an easy way to remove this ball joint. Just remove this first, the lower arm here, and the lower arm there. Just like that. Then you can turn the lower arm like this. Get a hammer, hammer it down. That's it, guys. Very easy. Now we're gonna put this one, the new lower arm. Make sure when you put this one, it's the same parts, same side. So make sure to double check that. This one come with a new bolt on the lower arm ball joint here. So to install this one, just do the reverse procedure. Put it here first. Put like that first. Then put the bolt here. Just put the bolt like that, don't tight it yet. Then put this one, the another bushing here. Then we're gonna put the bushing here. You can use a pry bar to put this one. Slide it up. Just like so. Then push it in. Push it in with a hammer. Okay. Now the bolt, the hole here is not aligned on this O, so you need to use the pry bar again to align that hole. So we're gonna put this bolt again. Push it in. So we're gonna push it in using this ratchet. Yeah. So we're gonna tight this bolt here first. Guys, if you tight this one, it's really hard to tight. Don't continue to tie it because you're gonna ruin the thread inside. So make sure it's all the way in, and this one is straight, the bolt, so you can tie it properly. So we're gonna tie this first. Make sure it's tight. Then then we're gonna tighten the other one, the 21 millimeter. Make sure this one is really tight. That bolt is holding the star frame tip. Then we can put it back the ball joint now. But before you put the ball joint, just spray penetrating fluid here inside the knuckle. So I'm gonna put this ball joint, the lower ball joint. So sometimes you need someone to push it down the lower arm. So, but if you have proper tools, this one is easy to put it on, like the sway bar link. So you can push it down. Get the right spot, so you can push it down like this. But be careful, guys. You still there, guys? Yeah. So I'm gonna use this chain. I'm gonna put here. Then I'm gonna use this long sway bar. So I'm gonna use this long, what I call this, I forgot. So you're gonna use this one, the long pry bar. Push it down. I'm gonna push it down like this. Then put the bolt joint at the same time. So just put like that, then hammer it in. So we're gonna remove this one, the chain. Make sure it's straight. Make sure this one is straight before you hammer it in. Make sure this one is straight before you hammer it in. So now it's straight. We're gonna hammer it in. Just tap it a bit. So I put too much. This one, the gap here. Make sure this one is aligned here on the hole here. That's the way they lock the ball joint. So I put too much. I'm gonna push it down a little bit. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the bolt now. I'm gonna use this new bolt here and the new nut. Then tie this one, the nut. So we're gonna use another combination wrench to hold this bolt here at the back. Then make sure it's tight, guys. Always double check. Okay. So yeah. Make sure this one is tight. Make sure all the bolt you remove it is tight. So yeah, guys, that's it. It's really easy. Just 3 bolt, and you can easily change the lower arm. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and share, guys, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you're always updated for my any latest video. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.